slipped right into it once we, slipped Grandma right out, Lady Bird slipped right on in. I mean, if you're going to be buried in green.
But it's true, but I thought, does it say Christmas? And so we decided to add the gold heel and a little festive hat, and yet, I don't know. I hope it translates.
You just like
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Indeed. Now we did ask this a little before, but how many of you have been to a Harvey and the Bird show before? Welcome back.
I have.
How many is this your first show? It's okay.
They're the ones who
tell they're the ones that are silent.
Well, welcome. You, sir, welcome. Thank you for coming, you too.
This front row, they're all sitting there like, entertain me, I dare you.
They were like, wait, I thought this was comedy sports, Dad. You were wrong. You're sorry.
That's right.
Yes, Comedy Sports graciously opens their gates and allows Harvey and the Bird to be here once a month, and we could not be happier. So,
yes, it's true.
My name is Harvey Sugarbaker. This is my lovely wife, Lady Bird Sugarbaker, and we are the show couple of all show couples.
Yes.
And we travel up from Mesquite, Nevada.
And we travel on I-15 in our unreliable Winnebago. And we stop at various towns along the way, and we end up in Wendover, right?
Yes, that's right.
Right.
For our 4:30 a.m. Breakfast show.
That's right.
That we do every other Thursday,
every
week.
month. Well,
Every other month. Yeah. It's an every other contract. They're hard to get.
But when you're in the business of show, you just accept these strange schedules.
Yes, of course.
But we perform in various towns. We perform in Panguitch. We have a little show in Price. We're the Thrilla in Tooele.
We are.
And we've done a few big events. We've done a Quilted Bear.
We have grand opening Quilted Bear. We opened at Joanne's Crafts and Fabric.
Which was really nice. Which was really nice.
It was very nice. They gave us it was a vegetable tray.
Yes. Those are also hard to get.
Those are hard to come by.
And then we also did the Mervin's grand closing.
Oh yes, right up here at University Mall. The ribbon tying ceremony.
Yes.
We did. Yeah. Every time.
I was just, sooner or later, no one's going to remember that happened.
No, yeah.
We always will.
Like, Mervin's has been closed for a decade.
Joe Montana, anyway. You don't remember that.
But so we traveled together, and my darling wife, I forgot about our hearth.
Oh,
so much time went into the hearth. This is our family tree. You can see up here, there's my lovely me and my lovely ladybird, and then our divine son, David, who is no longer with us. He's in Spain. He's on a baking scholarship in Spain.
Yes.
And
I guess when your namesake is Sugar Baker.
You only had a few choices.
That's
probably made the better choice.
I don't know. But yes, this is even with some of our diehards that we consider.
There are our diehards up here. You'll have to come up here afterwards and see if you can find your stinking self.
You're going to want to take more photos now, aren't you? Just let us know.
That's right. We stole them off the gram.
No, really, now's a good time. Everything's sucked
Oh, believe me, everything's tucked on away. Everything's got to stay.
48 more minutes, and then it'll all. Anyway, so we travel in our Winnebago, and that's
we sing our songs. We do our show.
We sing our songs because we do a show here every month, and we have to say that on all of our stops, truly, and this is very true, on all of the stops we make, Comedy Sports in Provo by far is our favorite place to do.
Absolutely. I mean, the least of which, it's always inside. So that's just so enchanting. And look at how many people are here. We're all the way back to the rafters, darling. We're packing the place. You guys, it's early in the month of December, and you are ready for some Christmas. You're ready for some tinsel wrapped around your head as tight as it will go.
Like me. And so in our Winnebago, that's where we record all of our albums. And I don't know if you've been able to pick up on this, new diehards, but we really enjoy a theme. And so every month we get to choose. This
month's theme is.
This month's theme, we decided to go with Christmas. That wasn't our first choice.
No.
But
our dolphin show had to be pushed back. No, it's out there.
I just felt it was more springtime, the dolphin show.
Right, the dolphin show. But
so we landed on the holidays, and we have, with all of our Christmas albums, how many would you say?
It is pretty prolific. Our Christmas,
Sure.
we start recording the day after Thanksgiving, and we don't stop recording until August 13th. And so we have hundreds, I think it's 237.
37.
We have 237 Christmas albums. That's not including sub-albums.
No.
Like there's
Or the
19
B-side of the album that we
Right, the B-side
recorded.
of the CD.
Of the CD that
We
we
still
burn in
do
our burn in our microwave.
Right. But yeah, we have songs about trees, which is a whole other album. Songs
yeah.
about elves, songs about wizards, and
Everything that reminds you of Christmas.
yeah. Well, the Christmas Wizard album was a big hit.
That's true. And the Christmas Wizard on the Shelf was a big hit.
It was a big hit. Yeah, he jumps off and fixes mischief. That's what he does. So you wake up, you have
And
an elf on
curses
the
people.
Yeah, you have an elf on the shelf and a wizard on the shelf, and you wake up and everything is exactly the same as yesterday.
Parents love a Wizard on the Shelf. We love it.
We love it.
Keep
That's
that
sort of
naughty
funny,
elf
but-
in line.
Yeah, we should mark that down.
We really should mark it
All
down.
right.
Write that down.
Darling, let's sing something. It's been forever, and I have barely played this piano.
That's
Literally,
right.
she came out of the box today, and so I haven't got to play. So let's sing a song. What is one of your favorite Harvey and the Bird Christmas songs? Yes, right here, young woman in orange.
Christmas decor.
Ah,
My favorite
Christmas
topic.
decor.
Oh, decor?
Yes, it's about that cologne I wear. Remember?
Oh, I remember.
She bought it for me at CVS, and I am swimming in it. Oh, and once my eyebrows grew back, we wrote this song.
I mean, I know. Christmas Eve at the CVS pharmacy. What can I get, my love? I want to snuggle next to him. So what options do I have so that it's pleasant and content and makes me think only of love? What's this? What's this?
Christmas decor. Christmas morning, I can tell already what's in the box because the bottle leaked. Where is this magic scent coming from? Oh, the box, right. She smelled this. She thought of me. It's sort of a mixture between berries and green tea. Christmas decor. I wear it every day, 'cause every day's Christmas decor. I want more Christmas decor. I went back to the store and they had plenty. Christmas decor. Finally, I'm hiding in the bushes. This reminds me of another story.
Yes.
Where I thank you. Oh, thank